Hey, it's Jody. I have a new process video for perfect paints, and today I am scrapbooking a super cute picture of my niece and nephew from many years ago. And I have decided to create my own embellishments. I have cut out a few candy shapes and the word boo on Vicky Bouton Foundations paper because I knew I was going to paint them all up. Now I don't remember where this cut file is from. I apologize, but there's so many free and good ones out there. I'm sure you could just search for some, but this was in, of course, my unnamed stash. Anyway, I first get the rain slicker and the red wagon shimmering matte acrylics paint, give them a little mix to create orangish type color, and I paint 2 pieces of candy, and then I get the rain slicker yellow by itself to paint one, and then I get the red wagon by itself to paint one more. The collection I am using is called Trick or Treat by Photo Play, and it has just a smidge of a deep teal type color. So I thought, if anything, my last candy, I tried to coordinate a color with that. So you'll see after I'm done slathering the boo, I make a little bit of a blue-green color with the yellow and the pretty wash teal. The boo, I did not use a perfect paint. I do not have anything that's black. I first started with the Hickory Smoke distress spray, and that was definitely not dark enough, so then I added a tiny bit of excuse me, some black tie stencil butter, and then here is my pretty green candy. I thought that turned out super pretty. They're so shiny, and I decided to use a little bit of Barely There shimmering matte acrylics to give them a little splatter, just to brighten them up a little bit. And in person you can really see the shiny silver splatter, so I'm glad it was a step I did not skip over. And now, I just use the minimum of the collection because I really want my little candies and my title to showcase the cute picture. Let me see. They were probably like 3 and 7 maybe. I don't know. He's a pirate and she's Little Red Riding Hood. It's a great little picture. I am making my way through my nephew's graduation gift album. I can't believe he's a senior. June will be here before I know it. And I'm just kind of snagging pictures from wherever I find them, from my brother-in-law's Facebook, my nieces, of course my sisters, and I beg all of them for any pictures they want to send me. They live way far away in California, so I take any pictures I'm willing to get, and this one I definitely snagged from a Facebook post. But yeah, I don't feel bad about it because it's adorable, and it will be in his little scrapbook. So I don't want to say little, right? It's a full 12 by 12 page. His sister had 2 full books, so we'll see what he ends up. Anyway, I put a little layer behind my photo, pop it up with some adhesive foam. When I kind of do this DIY embellishments, I love to add some thread. I think it's a great way to add some texture and dimension and color. I use a little bit of glue dot so you don't see it through the candy holes, right? And I didn't want to use regular glue but I think it works. I kind of shook it around, and everything seemed to stay. So, and I just used the black thread. I think I could have probably pulled out some orange, but that's okay. And I just tuck them in a few places. I think they turned out absolutely adorable. The boo is a little skinny, but I managed to put some circle adhesive dots to kind of lift it off the page, which I'm happy about. Oh, let's see if I can find the center. Close enough, right? And I would definitely love this paper if I stopped right now. My candies are amazing, shiny and large. The picture is super cute, but there was a few things on the sticker sheet that I decided to add. Just a few more little details. The little witch with the kitty cat on the broom is adorable. The witch hat. And then I found that pumpkin. He's kind of scary, but added the pumpkin, the number 31. I figured it went with the paper. And then the sticker sheet had a whole bunch of little stars, so I scattered those around. And then I found a couple of potion bottles. One was mostly orange, and then the other one had a bit of that blue-green. So there it is. Thank you so much for watching me. We hope, please head to the shop for all your paint needs. I appreciate you so much. I hope you're well. Bye-bye.